Here's another outfit of the day. Since the first outfit of the day, I was wearing clothes I wore for school, the back, and fuck. I can't really stand up, but and then tomorrow at school, it is a casual day, so we get to wear whatever we want. So I'm going to put on some gothic makeup and wear black lipstick tomorrow. And I'm going to wear some badass clothes. Let's see. Right down. Okay, that's it for this video.